How to edit your post privacy on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit your post privacy on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and now click see your profile and then just select any post you want, like this one, and click this 3 points here and now click edit privacy and then just manage anything you want, change it to public or only for your friends, and then just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video, and then see you in the next video.